Picture this. You're living 100,000 years ago. No cities, no toilets, no manners. Just you, your cave, and your tribe. Now imagine everyone sitting around the fire after eating a questionable mammoth dinner. Then it happens. Pfft. Who was the first person in history to fart in front of someone else? It sounds ridiculous, but think about it. The very first time it happened, nobody knew what the sound meant. Was it an animal? A warning? A curse from the gods? Or did someone just explode? The truth is, we'll never know who did it first. But scientists do know that humans, and even our ancient ancestors, have always produced gas. It's just part of digestion. So the first public fart probably happened long before language even existed. The real mystery isn't who farted, it's what happened next. Did everyone panic and run? Did somebody grab a spear? Or did one person laugh? Because laughter is contagious. If one cave person started laughing instead of running away, that single moment may have changed history forever. Think about it. Every culture has fart jokes. Ancient Romans laughed at them. Medieval kings laughed at them. Today, millions of people still lose it over one perfectly timed fart. For something every human does, it's surprisingly hard to take seriously. So maybe the first public fart wasn't humanity's most embarrassing moment. Maybe it was our first inside joke. And somewhere, tens of thousands of years ago, one confused cave person accidentally became the world's first comedian without saying a single word.